What is a bobbin, types of bobbins, and how to wind a bobbin is all we are going to be covering in today's video. Hi, my name is Oliver and welcome to Threads in Progress. Have you ever tried sewing and end up with loose thread, fabric puckling, thread puckling under your fabric, or messy stitches? 80% of that problem is caused by your bobbin. So take time while threading your machine and take time while winding your bobbin, because these two threads are going to interact to form a stitch. And for smooth sewing, all you need to do is take time while winding your bobbin and threading your machine. Types of bobbins, and we are going to differentiate these by material. So the first bobbin is the plastic bobbin and the second bobbin is the metal bobbin. The plastic bobbin is usually very clear and it is very good for beginners because you can work while observing how much thread is left on your bobbin. So this plastic bobbin is literally lightweight, easy for beginners, and it is very common in modern machines. Metal bobbins are more strong and more durable. These are most of the times used in older machines, industrial machines, or heavy-duty machines. So I hope this will not confuse you. If your machine has a plastic bobbin, it's very okay. And if it has a metal bobbin, it is very okay. Another key difference is by the size. Take note, not all bobbins are the same size. We can differentiate these bobbins by their sizes. So we have class 15 bobbins and we have class 66 bobbins. Class 66 bobbins are more of curved and a bit of round. Not so rounded, but a bit curved. Class 15 bobbins are just flat. So that's how you can differentiate between these bobbins. If you use the wrong size of the bobbin in your machine, these are the problems you may face while using a wrong size of the bobbin under your machine. It can cause puckling of thread under your fabric. It can cause messy stitches or even uneven stitches. So please follow your machine menu and your bobbin size to prevent these problems. And another difference is by the machine type. So we have two different types of machines and there are two main systems. We have the drop-in bobbin, that's top loading. These are usually using plastic bobbins inserted from the top of the machine. Easy to use and perfect for beginners. And another type of a machine we have is the front loading bobbin. Inserted from the top, uses a removable bobbin case and common in older machines. Now let's go to the most important part, how to wind a bobbin. If you wind it incorrectly, your stitches will be bad no matter what you do. Step 1. Place your thread on the spool pin and make sure it sits securely on top of your machine. So you should secure your thread before anything else. So the second step is you are guiding your thread to the first thread guides. Pull the thread and pass it through the first thread guides. Most machines have a tension disc for this. It's like you're threading your machine, but you're going to actually stop on the way and wind your bobbin. Step 3. Insert the empty bobbin. Place your empty bobbin on the bobbin winding pin or the bobbin winding spander. Step 4 is securing your bobbin. After you have placed your empty bobbin, now push the bobbin to the side until it clicks into position. This tells your machine it's ready to wind. When you push it this side, it automatically tells your machine it is time to wind the bobbin. So this whole system is automatic. Step 5, start winding. You now hold the thread tail and press the foot pedal. After pressing the foot pedal, the machine will start winding. After a few rounds, you can cut the remaining thread and continue winding until your bobbin is full. When your bobbin is full, the next step is you stop. Most machines stop automatically, but if your machine doesn't stop automatically, you will have to just stop. Remove your thread, remove your bobbin from your bobbin winding spindle and cut the thread. The next step is how to insert a bobbin into your machine. Always turn off your sewing machine. And 2, raise your needle and press forward. Turn the hand wheel towards you, and this will raise your needle to the highest point. Lift the presser foot. This creates space and proper tension setup. Step 3, open the bobbin area. This depends on your machine type. You remember when we were talking about top loading machines or drop-in bobbins? If you have a top loading machine, all you need to do is slide and open the clear cover on top of the needle plate. That is where you are going to insert your bobbin. If you have a front loading machine, open the small door in front and pull out the bobbin case. Step 4, insert the bobbin. Place the bobbin so the thread spins anti-clockwise. Wrong direction, wrong threading. Step 5, pull the thread through the slot and then guide it under the tension spring. Leave about 4 inches of thread. Step 6, place the bobbin case back. This is for front loading only. Hold the launch, insert the bobbin case until it clicks into place. Slide or snap the cover. Step 8 is bring up the bobbin thread. Hold the top thread and turn the hand wheel towards you. Pull until the bobbin thread comes up and push all threads to the back. Final checks. Check both threads are under the presser foot and check if both threads are pulled to the back of the machine. Now you are ready to sew. And these are the common beginner mistakes. Bobbin inserted in wrong direction. Thread not in tension slot. Needle not raised. Or forgetting to bring up the bobbin thread. If your thread keeps sparkling underneath your fabric, 90% of the time it's your bobbin not inserted correctly. Common mistakes while winding your bobbin. Using the wrong bobbin size, overfilling the bobbin, or winding thread too loosely. Not following the thread guides. So, always avoid these mistakes. The common beginner mistakes while inserting the bobbin is bobbin inserted in the wrong direction, thread not in tension slot, or needle not raised, forgetting to bring up the bobbin thread. If your thread keeps sparkling underneath your fabric, 90% of the time it's your bobbin not inserted correctly or your machine not threaded right. I have a video about how to thread a sewing machine. The link is in the description below. That was it for today. See you in the next video.